Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Enagic Dubai service training. Today, we are discussing about Enagic Dubai product and its maintenance. Myself, Rona Joseph Roy. I am working here in Enagic Dubai as a service supervisor. Welcome again to the video. Today, we are discussing about Enagic product and its features and what are the benefits and what are the maintenance is required for the Kangen missions. Okay. Today training topic is product specification. What are the current product Enagic Dubai is selling? How the filter is working? What are the necessary steps in the installation? What the use of installing pre-filtration system before Kangen machine? How the Kangen machine operation? What are the type of water the Kangen machine is producing? And how the process inside the Kangen machine? What are the water properties? Electrode plate inside the Kangen machine, and what are the required maintenance is required for the Kangen machine. Okay, starting with the product introduction. What are the type of products in Enagic Dubai currently we are selling? As you know that you can see in the display, there is a lot of product is there. JR4 is our base model. SD501 little standard model. SD Platinum and SD501 is almost same. I will tell you about the difference later on my slide. And supervisor on mainly we are recommending for the commercial purpose, like shop or hospital we are recommending. K8 is our advanced model. ANSPA machine mainly we are using for the mineral line water, like for the spa and bathing we are using the ANSPA machine. MGuard product we are using for the radiation protection, we are using the MGuard. Kangen Air for the air purification, we are using the Kangen Air. And as you know about the new product, that is portable bottle. This one mainly, like if you are traveling, if you want to produce the Kangen water, you can just carry this small portable bottle. You can just fill the water and the machine will produce the alkaline water. Okay. So moving to the first slide, as you know that these are the type of product, and I'm just explaining about one by one the products. So GR4 is our base model. This one have 4 platinum coated titanium plate. As you know that the water is going to the Kangen machine, and depends on the plate, depends on the selection machine producing the selected water from the Kangen machine. Okay, so the GR4 have 4 platinum coated titanium plate, and the plate size of this machine is 135 into 75, and this machine can produce like up to minus 450 ORP, and pH level. This machine is producing 2.5 pH to 11.5 pH. The machine is producing, and it can generate 5 different kind of water, and maximum wattage of this machine is 120 wattage. Total weight of this product is 5.3 kilo, and dimension of this product is 264 into 338 into 171, and it can produce in a minute Kangen water 3 liter to 4.9 liter. Acidic water, this machine is producing 0.2 liter to 1.9 liter. Strong acidic water is producing 0.3 liter to 0.7 liter. This GR4 is a fully automatic machine, and this machine will only show one language in the display, that is English. And the warranty for this machine is 3-year warranty. And as you know that the warranty is international. Like example, if you are traveling, if you are traveling a different country, and like example, you are buying the machine in Enagic Dubai office, and you are traveling to USA or India, you will get the warranty in India and USA as well. And price for this machine in Dubai is 11,550 dirham. Moving to the next slide, this is SD501 Platinum SD501 machine. This is our standard machine. And this machine have 7 platinum coated titanium plate. Plate size is almost same like the GR4, 135 into 75. Compared to GR4, this machine is producing higher ORP level, up to minus 800 ORP this machine is producing. pH level is same like the JR4, 2.5 to 11.5 pH the water this machine is producing. And 5 different kind of water, same like the JR4 this machine is producing. Wattage of this machine is 230 wattage. And weight of this product is 6.3 kilo. And the dimension 264 into 338 into 171. And this machine production rate is for Kangen water 4.5 to 7.6 liter, acidic water 1.5 to 2.6 liter, strong acidic water 0.6 liter to 1.1 liter. And this machine is also fully automatic one. It's very simple to operate. Okay, and this machine will speak one language, is English. And for warranty for this machine is 5-year warranty. And the price for this product is 15,698 dirham. Okay, so I'm just showing the video how the machine is working. You can see this video.
Hi, now I am explaining about SD501 machine.
Yes.
How it's working. This machine is like one water input and one power input for this machine. Normally, after connecting the power, we can turn on the machine. Power on. Just turn on the machine now, and we can select the water. Depends on the selection, the machine will produce the water. So, like example, I'm clicking. I'm taking the water now. Now you can see it's blinking now. Once it is stable, T is stable now. On that time, you can just collect the water from the machine. Then only it will give you the correct water. That's the first thing. The second one, if you want to produce the 2.5 or 11.5 water, we need to put the solution. It's called enhancer. You can pour the enhancer over here. And this is only for the strongest, we can strong alkaline water. Okay, and in some countries there is no minerals in that water. The TDS level is less than 50 or less than 20. On that time, we need to add the minerals to the water. This area, we can add the minerals. This calcium acid cylinder, you can put the minerals here, and you can just put it here. Then the machine will produce the correct pH water. Okay. And another thing, if you want to turn off the voice in SD501, first you need to do just turn off the machine, and you need to press on hold this section. Then it will show low, loud, or off. If you turn off, then after that you can just click power. Then the power is off. Sorry, the voice is off now. Okay, like this. And the filter is over here. The filter will produce the filter will remove the chlorine and hardness. After that, it is going to the chamber. Then the machine is producing the acetic and alkaline water. Thank you.
I hope everyone can got the information. This machine is producing 5 different kind of water. You can just simply click the which type of water you want. You can just simply click it. Depends on the selection, the machine will produce the water in the top and bottom level. Okay. Always the machine is producing 14 pH. Like example, when you are pressing 8.5 or 9.5, when you're pressing 9.5, 9.5 is coming on the top side one. 14 minus 9.5 is coming on the downside, which means 4.5 is coming downside. When you're clicking beauty water, the pH is 6. Beauty water is coming upside. Okay. And the remaining 14 minus 6, 8 is coming on the downside one. So always inform your customers and your downline distributors. This machine is always producing the pH water is 14. Depends on the selection. The water is coming like, if you're pressing 8.5, 8.5 is coming up. The remaining 14 minus 8.5 is coming down. Okay. So always you can use the both kind of water. There is no any water, we don't need to throw. You can always use the both side water. Okay. And the filter is producing 6,000 liter of water. Once it is finished, the machine will prompt you for the replacement. Okay. This is our third model, SD501 Platinum. This machine have 7 platinum coated titanium plate. Plate size for this machine is same like for all machine, 135 into 75. The ORP is same like SD501 minus 800. pH range 2.5 to 11.5 pH the machine is producing. Same like SD501, 5 type of water is producing. Water is also 213. Weight for this machine is 6.3 kilo. Dimension is 264 into 338 into 171. Production rate 4.5 to 7.6 liter in Kangen water, and acidic water 1.5 to 2.6 liter. Strong acidic water 0.6 to 1.1 liter. And it's very easy to use this machine. And this machine, main difference between SD and SD Platinum, this machine can speak 5 different kind of language, but SD can only speak the one language, that is English only. But for the Platinum can speak 5 language. Warranty for this machine is 5-year warranty, and price for this machine is 17,273 dirham. So what is the difference between SD and SD Platinum means the you can see the design for SD Platinum. You can see in the Platinum design, and it can speak like 5 different kind of language, and that's the main difference between SD and SD501 Platinum. Okay. And in this video, I'm just explaining how the machine is working. You can see the video.
Yeah, this is SD501 Platinum machine. For this machine also, one water input and one power input is must needed. And we can just, after connecting the power, we can turn on here. Then the machine will show the selected water, it will show in the display. And you can select the water, then the machine will produce the water. You can see the arrow, then the machine is producing water. After that, once it is blinking is turned off, it can collect the water from the machine. And for this machine also, there is a filter inside the machine. The filter is producing 6,000 liters of water. Once it is finished, the machine will prompt you for the replacement. On that time, you can just replace the filter. And if you want to produce a 2.5 or 11.5 water, you can put the solution here. And for the minerals, if you want to add the minerals, you can add the minerals over here. And if you want to turn off the voice, same like that you can do. You can turn off. From here, you can just turn on or turn off the voice. Okay, the next important thing is the machine have 5 different kind of languages this machine will speak. That's the main difference between SD and Platinum. Okay, most of the people, they don't know how to change the voice. First, they need to turn off the machine. Then they need to press on for the clean water. Now I'm holding. See, now the machine is showing different kind of languages. Okay, and I'm just selecting Italian, then power off. And if I turn on the power, it will speak the Italian. It's like that. So you can just choose like this also. And that's it. Thank you.
Okay, I hope everyone can understand about the SD501 Platinum machine also. This machine also need one water input and one power input. So depends on the, you can turn on the water tap, then the water is going to the Kangen machine, then the machine is producing the water, depends on the selection. Okay, moving to the next slide. This is our advanced version, level K8. This machine have 8 platinum coated titanium plate, and the plate size is 135 into 75. ORP level is minus 850. Compared to all machine, the K8 is producing like higher ORP in the Kangen water, that is minus 850 ORP this machine is producing. pH range is same like other machine, like 2.5 to 11.5 pH the machine is producing. It can generate 5 different kind of water. And as you know that kind of water, I will explain about that one later. And this machine also, for the wattage is 230 wattage, and weight for this machine is only 5 kilo compared to all other machines. This machine have the lesser weight, and dimension for this machine is 279 into 345 into 147. Okay, and for the production rate for Kangen water is 4.5 to 7.6 liter. Strong acidic water is 1.5 to 2.6 liter. Strong acidic water is 0.6 to 1.1 liter. And it's very easy to use, fully automatic also. And the main difference is it can speak like 10 different kind of language this machine is producing. sorry, it can speak like 10 different kind of language. And warranty for this machine is 5-year warranty. Like, this is also international warranty. And for the price for this machine is Dubai is 20,213 dirham. That's the price for this machine. And the main advantage, like, for SD501 and K8, K8 can work 110 voltage to 210 voltage. Like example, if you are traveling with the K8 in USA, as you know that the voltage is 110 to 120 voltage in USA. So this K8, if you are purchasing from Dubai and if you are traveling to USA, you can use the same machine without any transformer. You can use this machine. That's the main advantage between SD and K8 machine. Okay, and this machine have 8 platinum coated titanium plate. You can see the design. This is fully automatic one, touch screen also there. And this machine also there is a filter inside the machine. You can see the video how
Now
the machine
we
is
are
working.
moving to K8 machine. For K8 machine, you can just turn on the power. After that, if you select the water, then the machine will produce the water. For this also, if you select the any water, now you can see it's blinking. Once this blinking is turned off, then you can collect the water from the machine. Okay, if you click, it will blink. It will take some time to process the Kangen water or any water. Like if you are processing native water, that one also it is, you can see it's blinking. Once the blinking is stable, then you can collect the water from the machine. Okay. And for this machine also there is a filter inside the machine. The filter will produce 6,000 liters of water. You can just check the filter status also. You can just go to settings, then the filter check. You can see now this is a new filter actually. We installed the filter, new filter today. That's why it's showing for empty. Once you consume the water, then it will start to fill. This machine also have 10 languages. You can just go here, then it will show the languages. What are the languages machine will speak? Or you can set the language also. You can lower the voice, you can higher the voice also, and even you can turn off the voice also. pH settings also you can do. If you want to reduce the pH, you can if you are using 9.5 and you want to reduce the pH, you can just go to pH testing settings, then you can just lower the pH. Same if you want to higher, you can do the higher also. Normally, factory setting is coming, the pH is normally 4. pH setting is 4. If you can lower, you can higher. Depends on your usage. You can do the changes. Next one is e-cleaning. If you for all machine there is a cleaning, monthly cleaning, customer they need to do from their side. And for this machine, it will show the instruction how to do the cleaning and everything. In this section, you can just go to, you can select, then it will show the instructions how to do the cleaning and everything. Okay. And the next one is brightness. You can increase or you can darker the brightness also, and you can and you can put a you can change the sleep mode to 1 minute or 2 minutes. You can do that also, and you can do the filter check that I mentioned before, and mineral additive. You can, if you want to, because some areas there is no any minerals in that water. In that time, we can add the minerals to the machine. For that one, we need to use, instead of the enhancer tank, we need to use the mineral tank. This is enhancer tank. Instead of this one, we need to use the mineral tank, and we need to add the minerals. Then you can put it over here. And we need to press S here. Then only the machine will detect this as a mineral additive tank. Then the machine will, water will join with the mineral additive, then it will produce the correct pH. Okay, now I am pressing no. Okay, and the other thing is, most of the people, they will, while they put the enhancer solution, they will not correctly keep the enhancer tank cap. It should be like this.
Always keep the enhancer tank like this. Then only the machine will detect properly.
Like example, if I'm installing the enhancer tank is like this, then the machine will not give you the correct 2.5, and the machine will prompt you enhancer tank is missing. So we need to always keep the enhancer tank on the correct position. Should be like this. Okay. Before this machine also, there's a filter inside the machine. The filter will produce 6,000 liters of water. Once it is finished, the machine will prompt you for the replacement. And for this old machine, there is two output. One is on the top side and one is on the downside one. Thank you.
Okay, I hope everyone can understand about the K8 machine. And one important thing I want to tell you, for JR4 K8 SD501, for Kangen Water, Beauty Water, and the neutral water. This all water, when you are selecting this selection, water is coming on the top side one. And when you are pressing strong acidic water, this strong acidic water is coming downside. The small hose, the strong acidic water is coming, and strong alkaline water is coming on the upside one. For this machine, for this 2.5 only, it will come on ulta. Like example, when you're pressing Kangen water is coming upside. Beauty water is coming upside. But when you're pressing strong acidic water, this strong acidic water is coming downside, the small hose. The strong acidic water is coming. Same time, strong alkaline water is coming on the upside hose. Okay. So moving to the next machine. This is Super 501. I hope everyone know about the Super 501. This is our this machine mainly for the commercial purpose we are using. This machine also have 12 platinum coated titanium plate, and most of the people, they will just only informing the customer 12 platinum coated titanium plate. Actually, 7 platinum coated titanium plate we are using for the strong acidic water, and 5 platinum coated titanium plate we are using for the Kangen water. So compared to K8, this machine have less number of plate to produce the Kangen water. So always you need to explain correctly to your customer and your distributor. Like, there is a 2 chamber inside the SD501 machine, 7 chamber and 5 chamber. 7 chamber we are using for the strong acidic and strong alkaline water, and 5 chamber we are using for the Kangen water, beauty water, and the neutral water, pH 7. These 3 we are using the 5 plate only. Okay, and the plate size for this machine is same like the other machines, 135 into 75, negative ORP minus 800, and the pH range for this machine same as other machine, 2.5 to 11.5 pH, and it can generate 5 different kind of water, and the wattage of this machine is 200. Total weight for this machine is 10.1 kilo. Dimension is 352 into 384 into 250. And Kangen water, it can produce like 4.9 to 7.9. Acidic water 1.9 to 3.3 liter. Strong acidic water 1.1 to 3 liter. And this machine is also fully automatic one. It can show only one language. It will not speak. And for warranty for this machine is 3-year warranty. And price of supervisor on in Dubai is 22,575 dirham. Okay, we can watch the video how the machine is working.
This is supervisor on machine. Also, there is a filter inside the machine. This is HG filter actually. And this machine also will give 6,000 liters of water. Once it is finished, machine will prompt you filter change here. It will not speak. It will show the lights here. That I need to change the filter. Okay. This machine, there is a lot of advantages here. Like if you want to select the water, you can just select here. Now I click Kangen water. From here you can adjust. Here also you can see it's blinking. Once it is stable, then you can collect the water from the machine. Okay, you can click the purified water. You can click the beauty water. You can click the strong acidic water. Okay, for the other small machine, if you want to use Kangen water, after when you are changing to strong acidic water, there will be time for the cleaning. But for this machine, there is 2 chamber inside. You can see there is like 2 output from the top side from the machine. From there is 2. Okay, so there is 2 chamber inside the machine. So it will frequently give the water. Like when you're pressing Kangen water, you can produce a Kangen water. When you're pressing strong acidic water, it will produce a strong acidic water also. Okay, and there is some. If you want to turn it off, you can turn it off from here only. Okay, for other machine, you need to turn off from the faucet. Okay, for this machine, there is another advantage. If you want to set a timer, we can put the timer option also. Like example, this option is only for strong acidic water only. First, we need to select the timer on. Then you can put the time. How many minutes you want to run the water? 1 minute. I'm just putting 1 minute now. Then now I am clicking strong acidic water. Now the water is running in 1 minute. After that, it will turn it off automatically. Okay, this is one of the advantage in supervisor on machine. And for this machine, we need to do the cleaning also. Like, there is an option here for cleaning. There is no any cleaning for this machine. As per company, there's no any cleaning. You need to clean 2 chambers, like you need to press and then you need to press the cleaning. Then it will do the cleaning. You can see there is a light here. Now it's cleaning now. Okay. After 20 to 30 seconds, it will go to the selected option. Like, for the Kangen water, 9.5 will show here. On that time, we can just collect the water from the machine. Okay. So then the cleaning will finish. The same cleaning, we need to do the strong acidic water also. You need to press the strong acidic water, then cleaning. Then it will do the cleaning. And for this machine, there is no any enhanced solution we need to add. We can 1.2 liter of water with 300 gram of salt. We can just dilute and you can just pour it over here. This is the enhanced tank. For the supervisor machine. After filling, you can pour it or you can put it over here. Once, if there is no any salt solution, then the machine will prompt you, like, increase solution. Then you need to put the solution to the machine. Thank you.
I hope everyone can understand about the supervisor machine, how the machine is working. Moving to the next slide. This is our another product. This is ANASPA machine. This is this ANASPA is producing like mineral iron water. This mainly for the showering and bath. We are using the ANASPA machine. There is no any power needed for this machine. The water is going to the ANASPA. There is a 2 filter inside the machine. One filter will remove the chlorine and hardness. Then second filter will add the minerals to the water, and it is producing the water based on the same pH. Like, what is the source of the pH? The same pH is producing. And this machine is not producing the beauty water. It is producing the mineral iron water the machine is producing. Okay. And weight for this product is 2.5 kilo. Dimension is 132 into 346. And production life in a minute 2.6 liter it can produce. Warranty for this machine is 3-year warranty. And there is a 2 filter is there. That one we need to replace like one filter we need to replace like every 1 year. That is external filter, and the ceramic filter we need to replace every 2 years. Okay. And this machine also have 3-year warranty. And price for this machine in Dubai is 12,390 dirham. Okay. And you can see here how the process is happening. You can see the water is going to the machine. There is a neodymium magnet is there. This magnet, there is a that this magnet is very powerful magnet. The water is going there, and water will penetrate there, and it will go to the first filter, that is external filter. And external filter is first it will remove the chlorine and hardness. 99.9% of the chlorine and hardness the first filter will remove, and it will go to the second filter, that is ceramic filter, and it will add the minerals to the normal water. Which body need, what are the minerals? That minerals will be added with the water, and it will produce the mineral iron water. Okay. And I mentioned already, external filter we need to replace every 1 year, and ceramic filter we need to replace every 2 years. This is our another product. This is MGuard. As you know that this is our new technology. It can it can support from the electromagnetic radiation. It can work 8 meters. For it can work in 8 meters. You can you can see the video in the next slide. And this one harmonizing high frequency electromagnetic noise radiation up to 1 gigahertz. 3 megahertz to 1 gigahertz. It is harmonizing the high frequency electromagnetic noise radiations. Okay, it can cover 4-meter radius or 8-meter diameter. It can covering. And for this machine also there is a power needed. USB-C power is needed. And warranty for this product is like 1 year warranty. And price for this product is 5,880 dirham. Okay, and we can see the video how the product is working.
Your home is your sanctuary. a place of comfort, wellness, and security for your family. Today, we're using more digital and electronic devices. While they bring convenience and enjoyment, these devices also emit electromagnetic energies constantly during use. Invisible to our eyes, these electromagnetic energies affect the environment around us. As a result, we're exposed to these types of energies day in, day out. Introducing MGuard, a patented technology by Enagic. When turned on, MGuard harmonizes targeted electromagnetic noise radiation within 1 gigahertz, creating a defense zone of 8 meters. MGuard harmonizes the environment around you, making it safe for you and your loved ones. Simply place it wherever it's needed and plug it into a dedicated USB port. Whether you're on the go, at work, or in the comfort of your home, MGuard is designed to integrate seamlessly in any situation. You can now enjoy the benefits of technology without worrying about any potential risks. Protect your family's health and well-being. Contact your Enagic distributor today. MGuard. Change your environment, change your life.
I hope everyone can understand understand about the MGuard also. Moving to the next slide. Okay, this slide mainly we are giving the information about the filter currently we are using in Kangen machine. Currently we have like two different kind of filter. One is FC1 filter, this is our advanced version, and HG filter, that is the older filter. Okay, two kind of filter currently we are using, and FC1 filter mainly we can use for SD501 machine, JR2 machine, JR4 machine, SD501 platinum machine, K8 and a level car machine. We are using the FC1 filter because most of the people they don't know which filter is good for their machine. They will come and they will ask, I have SD501 and which filter I need to buy. Okay, and for SD501, JR2, JR4, platinum, K8 and level car, we can use the FC1 filter. The HG filter mainly for the Super 501 machine. And those who have purchased the machine before 2011, they need to buy the HG filter. Like example, when they are the customer, they purchase the SD501 machine before 2011, which means they need to purchase the HG filter for their machine. Okay, so currently we have two filter, FC1 and HG filter. Okay, I hope everyone can understand about the two filter. Okay, this two filter is producing 6,000 liter of water. Okay, once it is finished, the machine will prompt you for the replacement. Okay, another important thing is we always need to buy the original filter from the Enagic office only. Why? If you didn't buy the original filter from Enagic, you will not get the correct filtered water from the normal source water. If you are putting normal, not original filter in the Kangen machine, then it will not give you the correct output from the Kangen machine. And the pH level also, it will be compared to, if you are selecting 8.5, you will not get the correct 8.5 water. So always use the original filter from the Enagic office only. Okay, and what is the difference between HGN or F8 filter and FC1? Okay, and if most of the people, because they already purchased the machine before and they are using HGN and F8 filter, and they are having confused with the FC1 filter. What is the difference between FC1 and HGN filter? Okay, the main difference is it can produce it can produce the water level. It can increase 30% compared to the HGN and F8 filter. Okay, and it can remove 19% of the chlorine and pesticide and the other detergent from the normal water. Okay, and the another important thing is how long we can keep a FC1 filter. If I'm buying bulk FC1 or HG filter, how long I can store the filter? Okay, we can buy and we can store the filter 5 years in a in a dry or cool place. We can buy it and we can keep it here. Okay, so this is a a warranty of the filter. If someone will ask, you can inform them 5 year we can buy and we can keep the filter and we can use it. Okay, after 5 years the machine will the filter will be damaged. Okay, I hope everyone can understand. Okay, and in this slide, we are just showing how the filter is working. You can see from the left side, the tap water is going to the mechanical filter. It's going to the mechanical filter. After that, it is going to the antibacterial granular activator carbon, and it is going to the calcium sulfate. Then the machine is producing the clean water. Okay, so mechanical filter will remove the rust and effluvium, and antibacterial granular activator carbon can remove the odor, chlorine, everything. And calcium sulfate is removing the chlorine from the normal water, and it can produce the clean water if you are using the Kangen filter. So there is a 3-layer structure in the Kangen filter. So the normal tap of water will go to the filter and it is producing the clean water. Okay, and most of the people, they don't know, like, what are the substance are removed by the Epsilon filter. Epsilon filter can remove 80% of the 17 substance from the normal source of the water. You can see in the diagram, free residual chlorine, impurity, chloroform, and you can see the other substance, benzene, phenol, and glycine, and free residual chlorine. All the component are removed from the normal source of water. Okay, and in this slide, you can see, like, how we can just check the filter. If you have K8 machine and if you want to check how many liter of water your Kangen filter already produce. Okay, when you are going to settings and when you are going to filter check, you can see the diagram like below. You can see the diagram, and filter check like that. There is one diagram, it will show in the Kangen K8 machine. Okay, there is a two side there. One side is total quantity, okay, and the other side is total time. Okay, if you consume 6,000 liter of water, or if you already use the filter 1 year, then the machine will show you the replacement. Which one comes first, then the machine will show for the replacement. So in the first diagram, you can see, like, only one one area is only filled, which means the customer is already consumed 1,000 liter of water. 0 to 1,000 liter of water the customer is already consumed, and they only just install the machine. Okay, that's a newer filter. If you put a new filter in the Kangen K8 machine, you will get the display like this. Okay, on the second diagram, you can see, in the total quantity 1, 2, 3, 4, which means 4,000 liter of water the customer is already used in how many months? In 120 days. The customer is already used 4,000 liter of water. Okay, and they have 2,000 liter remaining. Okay, after they are consuming the 2,000 liter of water, the machine will prompt you for the replacement. Okay, on the third diagram, you can see total quantity is like 1, 2, 3, 4, which means the customer is only consuming 4,000 liter of water in how many months? In 360, in more than 1 year, they already consume, they use this filter, but they only consume 4,000 liter of water only. So which one comes first, the machine will prompt you for the replacement. Now this customer is only use 4,000 liter of water, but they keep this machine, they use this filter 1 year. So which means the machine will show the replacement. Okay. And in SD501 machine also, we can just check the filter, how long they use the filter. When you plug in, you can see some blocks there in the display. Depends on the blocks, normally it will show like 1 block, 2 block, up to 4 block. Okay, if the machine is purchasing after 2011, maximum 4 blocks it will show, which means each block it will show like 1,500 liter of water. If the machine is showing 4 block, which means the customer is already consumed 6,000 liter of water. Okay, if it is 1 block, which means 1,500. If it is 2 block, 3,000. For 3 block, 4,500. If it is 4 block, which means 6,000 liter of water the customer is already consumed. Okay, and before 2011, it will show up to 6 blocks. Each block is 1,000 liter of water. Okay, and if you want to know like the exact amount of water, you can just bring the machine to the office. We can give you the exact, there is another method there. We can find out how many liter of water the customer is consumed. Okay, moving to the next slide. how to install the Kangen machine. Okay, there is a installation guide in the Kangen machine. So when you're purchasing the machine, there is a installation guide there. You can just use the guide and you can just install the machine. And before installing the machine, always need to check the pH and the TDS and the hardness of the water. Okay, if the pH is less than 6, then the machine will not give you the correct pH. If the TDS level is more than 500, inform the customer to use a RO system or the filtration system. Okay, can reduce the TDS level of the water. The next one is hardness. If the water is very hard, what they need to do? They need to put one pre-filtration system. Okay, and the filtration system can remove the chlorine and hardness from the water, and it can also increase the lifespan of the Kangen filter. Okay, before installing the machine, you need to focus on the as a distributor, we need to check pH, TDS, and hardness of the water. Depends on the hardness, just inform them to use a filtration system before the Kangen machine. Okay, and before installing the machine, always read the manual, check the sticker, the machine is brand new, and always install the Kangen machine in the even surface. Check the TDS level and inform them to keep the TDS level 50 to 150. If it is higher than 150 or more than 500, inform them to reduce the TDS level. Okay, what is the essential role of pre-filtration system? Okay, most of the people, they will just install the machine normally, without pre-filter. Pre-filter is one of the important part of Kangen machine. We need to always give the clean, the TDS level is maximum 300, 150 to 200 maximum. You can give the TDS level, and the water is going to the Kangen machine. Then the machine is producing right pH and the right ORP level. So always need to check the water quality before installing the Kangen machine. Okay, and what are the benefits if you are installing a pre-filtration? It can produce clean water, durability, it can increase the machine durability and the filter durability, and reduce maintenance. If the TDS level is very high and there is lot of impurities there, then the machine need to do the maintenance very frequently. So always need to put a pre-filtration system before the Kangen machine, can reduce the maintenance of the Kangen machine. Okay, and this is one of the important part. If you are installing a supervisor or machine, just inform your customer and your distributor. Always put a stainer before the supervisor or machine. This is a must install, and it can reduce the flow of the water, and it will also remove the impurities from the water. Okay, this is a main caution points. It will show in the Kangen machine. It will show decrease flow, which means we need to decrease the water flow. If the machine is showing increase flow, which means we need to increase the water pressure. We need to check the water pressure and we need to increase. And heat run protection. When the unit is overheated, then the machine is showing the heat run protection. Hot run protection when hot water enters. Here in UAE or in GCC, as you know that in summertime, the water temperature will go to more than 55-degree temperature. On that time, the machine will show you this notification, hot run protection. On that time, what we need to do, we need to stop the water and we need to keep it cool the machine. After 5 or 15 minutes, you can just run again the water. Otherwise, the machine will damage. Okay, and always maximum you can enter the temperature to the Kangen machine is 55 degree of temperature. Okay, and if the machine is showing replace filter, we need to replace the filter. Every 6,000 liters of water, the machine will show this replacement filter. Okay, and refill solution. If you want, if you are not adding any enhancer solution, and if you are pressing 2.5 water, then the machine will show you the refill solution. And if you reset, the filter will show the reset. And for the voice, if you're changing the voice level, it will show the voice also. Okay, and most of the people, they will come and they will they will purchase FC1 instead of HG, or they will purchase instead of HG, they will purchase FC1 filter. What will happen? The machine will not suit the FC1 in HG, and HG they will not support in FC1. So what they need to do, or they need to always check, they can identify the filter spot. If the HG filter means both filter spot will be circle. If it is FC1, you can see in the center of the circle, there is a two indents is there. So this is a main difference. You can see the first diagram, there is two indent there, which means the filter is new or FC1 filter. If the filter, in the center of the filter, the circle is fully circled, there is no indent there, then the filter is HG filter. Okay. And while you installing the filter, always check there is two black O-ring is there. Like, if there is no black O-ring there, then the machine will start leaking. And we need to always check the filter lock also. If the filter lock is damaged, then also the machine will start to leak from the filter area. Okay. And this is one of the important thing, like, if you are traveling with the Kangen machine, or if you are bringing the machine for the maintenance for any Enagic office, always just be careful. Always don't put the enhancer solution inside the Kangen machine. If you keep the enhancer solution inside the Kangen machine, then the solution will go inside the Kangen machine and it will damage. And this one will not cover in warranty. So you need to pay the amount, like for the repair, you need to pay for that one. Okay. So always don't keep the enhanced solution while you are traveling. And another important thing, like, if the people, like, while they are installing the SD501 or JR4 or SD Platinum, okay, most of the people, they don't know, like, where they need to put the white hose or where they need to put the gray hose. Okay. So white hose is water input. Always they need to keep downside of the power cord. They need to keep the white hose. Okay, downside of the power cord, we need to put the white hose, and the next side we need to put the gray hose. If you change the white hose and gray hose, then the machine will not give you the selected water. The machine will not produce the correct Kangen, clean, or beauty water. Okay, so just make sure to connect the white hose and gray hose in the correct position. Okay, do not interchange. And while you are installing the machine, always keep the machine in the even surface. Okay, don't keep the machine in the uneven surface. Then the machine will not give you the correct pH. Okay, this is the diagram showing. Always we need to keep in the even surface and should be in the same level, the gray hose. And don't alter the Kangen machine. Like, some people, they want to extend the power cord, they will cut and they will just use a different adapter and it will damage the machine. So don't don't alter the machine and don't run the hot water to the Kangen machine. If you run the hot water, the machine will damage and the cost of the repair will be very high. So always maximum keep the temperature of the water is 55-degree temperature. Okay, and in some areas the voltage is, like, is not stable. Like, example, here in Dubai the voltage is, like, 220 to 240 voltage, and if it is exceed more than, like, 240 or 260, then the machine will damage. Okay, so like, if in that case you need to use a stabilizer to give the stable voltage to the Kangen machine. But for K8 it can support like 110 to 240 voltage. Okay, and another important thing is some customer, when we are receiving the machine, they are installing the CPU instead of the Kangen machine. What will happen? This all hardness and chlorine, it will go to the plate, and the plate will damage, and like, you will not get the correct pH from the Kangen machine. So always use the original Kangen filter. Always buy the original Kangen filter from the Enagic office and always place it in the filter area. Okay. Otherwise, you will not get any warranty also, and you will not get any correct pH water from the Kangen machine. This is the operation chart, like, while you are pressing Kangen water, like in SD501 or JR4 or Platinum, when you are pressing Kangen water is coming top side and beauty water is coming downside. When you are pressing beauty water is coming upside, Kangen water is coming downside. When you are pressing strong acidic water, strong acidic water is coming downside, and strong alkaline water is coming upside. When you are pressing clean water is coming both side. Because most of the people, like, they don't know, like, when you're pressing clean water, there is no any ionization is happening. Okay, so based on the source of the water pH, the same pH is coming from the Kangen machine. Okay, what are the type of water the Kangen machine is producing? Kangen water 8.5 to 9.5 pH. This is mainly for the cooking. And what is the drinking procedure? Like, when you start to buy the Kangen machine, always start with 8.5 pH. 1 week you need to drink this 8.5 pH water. Then you can go to 9 pH. Then 9 you need to drink 1 week. Then you need to go to 9.5. Then you can continuously drink the 9.5 pH water. Okay, so always start with 8.5, 9, and 9.5. And sometimes if you are feeling the taste of the water is bitter, if the smell is like fishy smell, you can lower the pH. Like if you can, instead of 9.5, you can go to 8.5. And what you can do, you can just run the beauty water. You need to do the monthly cleaning. You can just check the machine need to do the yearly cleaning. Okay, so always need to check these 3 things, and you can just do the maintenance of the Kangen machine. Okay, and for the next water is neutral water. The pH is 7. This is mainly for the medication purpose and making baby formula. You can use the neutral water. Beauty water mainly for the skin care, for the face and bathing. You can use the beauty water. The pH is 4.0 to 6.0. That's the beauty water pH. And the strong acidic water mainly for the cleaning, like for the cleaning vegetable, cleaning rice, mopping and everything. You can use the strong alkaline water. Okay, and strong acidic water you can use for the disinfection, like, for hand wash, mouth wash. If you have any pimple, you can spray it there. If you have any allergy, you can spray it there. Like that, you can use the strong acidic water. Okay, in this slide, I'm just showing how the process is happening inside the Kangen machine. Okay, tap water is going to the, you can see in the diagram, I think you can see the diagram. So tap water is going to the filter and it's filtering, and it is going to the, chamber, like, how many plate, 4 plate or 7 plate, depends on the chamber. The water is going there. Depends on the selection. Like if I am pressing Kangen water, then the Kangen water is coming upside, and the beauty water is, there is 2 output. You can see the 2 output. One output Kangen water, the other one is the beauty water, like that is coming. Okay, this is the first case. The second case, like, the tap water is going to the filter and it's filtering, and it's joining with the electrolysis enhancer, and after that it is going to the chamber. Then it is producing strong acidic and strong alkaline water. Okay, this is the second case. The third case, if there is no any minerals, we can add the minerals to the Kangen machine. So what will happen? Tap water, it is going to the filtering, it is joining with the enhancer, and it is joining with the acidic calcium. Then it is going to the chamber. Then the machine is producing the selected water, like Kangen water and beauty water, or the beauty water and the Kangen water, or the clean water, or strong acidic or strong alkaline water. Okay, you can see in the right side there is a diagram. Like, one plate will be like, if you are applying to the electricity to the plate, one plate will be anode and another plate will be cathode. The water is H2O. H2O is separating to OH minus and H plus. That's the normal chemical reaction is happening inside the Kangen machine. Okay, so as you know that, because most of the people, they will ask why we are using the platinum coated titanium plate. Why I need to use the platinum coated titanium plate? Instead of the platinum coated titanium plate, if you are using a normal rod, the machine, the machine can produce the acidic and alkaline water. Why I need to use the acid, strong platinum coated titanium plate? Okay, H2O is water, water, as you know that H2O is a covalent bond. Okay, so if you want to separate hydrogen and oxygen, we need to remove from the hydrogen and oxygen. So one plate will be act as anode and the other plate will act as cathode. So for the positive plate, it will attract the negative ion, and the negative plate will attract the positive ions. So it will convert to OH minus and H plus. Okay, so water is covalent bond. If you want to remove from hydrogen and oxygen, big collision will happen inside the chamber. Okay, if you are using a normal plate, then it will, the plate it will break. So if you are using platinum coated titanium plate, it will not break. That's why we are using platinum coated titanium plates. Okay. Moving to the next slide.
The water passes
You can
over
see the video
plate.
how
The minerals in the water are separated into
machine
two
is working.
streams of water, one alkaline and one acidic. The more plate surface area and the more power you can apply to the plates, the better the separation and the better the quality of the ionized water. Some metals are better electrical conductors than others, and some hold up to the abuse of electrolysis. While some manufacturers use stainless steel or white gold because they are less expensive, the most reputable companies use titanium and platinum. Titanium is used because it is a very dense metal and is a great conductor of electricity. Platinum is a great durable conductor of electricity, and it's applied on top of the titanium to keep the titanium from breaking down in water during electrolysis.
Okay, I hope everyone understand.
The water passes.
Okay. Platinum coated titanium. Why we are using platinum coated titanium plate? I hope you understand about the chemical reaction and how the process is happening inside the Kangen machine. Now we are talking about Kangen water properties. What are the properties in the Kangen water? As you know that mainly 3 properties in the Kangen water: antioxidant, microclustering, and alkaline. Okay. And you know that antioxidant, why we are why we are eating antioxidant fruits or antioxidant things, because for anti-aging we are using the we are eating and drinking the antioxidant thing. So Kangen machine is producing minus 400 to minus 800 ORP. So it's like higher antioxidant. Okay. And microclustering, as you know that normal water is there is molecule there, big molecules and the small molecules is there. So this is microclustered water the machine is producing. And it can enhance the hydration and improve the nutrient absorption for that also one of the advantage of the Kangen water. And for the demo you can see normal part tap water and the Kangen water. If you're putting a tea bag, you can see the difference. For the normal tap water it cannot absorb the tea from the tea bag, and Kangen water can absorb the tea from the tea bag. You can see the difference. And the pH, as you know that normal pH is 0 to 14, and 7 is neutral water, less than 7 is acidic water, more than 7 is alkaline water. Okay, we are giving 2.5 to 11.5 pH of water the machine is producing. Okay, moving to the next slide, we are talking about the electrolytic plate. Okay, as you know that the size I already mentioned it before. And currently for the ionizers, there is 3 kind of plate is currently available: solid, net, and pit. Okay, we are using the solid plate. There is net plate ionizer is available. There is pit plate ionizer also available. Okay. And these are our competitors. There is some other ionizers there. They are also making the acidic and alkaline water like ionizers. You can see that you can see our plate chamber is there in the circle. These are other ionizers. You can see the difference, what will happen if they they didn't maintenance, their plate will be damaged easily. You can see there in the picture. Okay, in the left side you can see the our Kangen plate, and the right side you can see the other machine plates. Okay, these are the different different ionizers plate you can see in the display. Okay, and how to know whether your machine is having a problem with the calcium accumulate. Okay, most of the people while they are using, they will come and they will inform us they are getting the problem they are getting the white particle in the Kangen water. Okay, so always you need to educate your downline or your customers. White particle is minerals, is not harmful for the body. Why white particle is showing in the Kangen water? Because after ionization, all minerals will be separated from the from the water. That's the white particle it is showing in the Kangen water. So what I need to do? Why I can reduce the calcification in the Kangen water? what you need to do? You need to run the beauty water in the every morning, and you need to do the monthly cleaning, you need to do the yearly cleaning, and you need to do the filter change. These are the things you need to do. Okay. And what will happen if you how to know, whether your machine have a problem with the calcium accumulate? Normally, when you are pressing this Kangen water, 70% Kangen water is coming on the top side, and 30% beauty water will come the downside one. Okay. And if you are continuously using and if you are not doing any maintenance, what will happen? 50% of the Kangen water will come on the top side, and 50% of the beauty water will come downside. Again, if you are not doing any maintenance, what will happen? It will reduce to 30 and 70. 30, after that, 30% of the Kangen water will come upside, 70% of the beauty water will come downside. If you are not doing again the monthly cleaning or yearly cleaning, what will happen? There is no any Kangen water will come up from the Kangen machine. So what you need to do, always we need to we need to run the beauty water, like before collecting the Kangen water, every morning you need to run the beauty water, and just always do the monthly cleaning, and always do the yearly cleaning, always do the every year or every 6,000 liter, always change the filter inside the Kangen machine. Okay, this can rectify the calcification inside the Kangen machine. Okay, so you can see in the photo, in the left side, you can see the plate with the white calcium in the plate. Like that will happen, if the customer, they are they are continuously use the Kangen machine, and they are not doing any proper maintenance. Okay, this one will happen inside the chamber, and after after 1 year or 2 years, the machine will start to stop the producing the Kangen water. So always you need to do the monthly cleaning, yearly cleaning, and the filter change. Okay, you can see in the display, if you didn't do any maintenance, this white particle, the minerals will be deposited in the plate, and this one will come with the Kangen water, and it will stop to produce the Kangen water also. So always do the maintenance to the Kangen machine. Okay, and in the right side, you can see if you are not giving the filtered water, or if you are not giving clean water to the Kangen machine, you can see the titanium, it will start to go from the plate. Platinum will go from the plate actually. Okay, and okay, I already explained to you you need to do the beauty water, you need to run the beauty water before collecting the Kangen water. Okay, here in the display you can see what will happen if I'm using Kangen water. If I switch to beauty water, what will happen? Normally Kangen water, if you're pressing in the first plate, will be negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, like that the plate will be arranged. When you're pressing beauty water, the plate you can see the plate positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, like that it will be changed. So what will happen if there is any negative ion is stuck in the positive plate? It can go if the plate will act as a negative. Okay, so just run the beauty water every day before collecting the Kangen water. Okay, and in this section we are just showing how the cleaning is happening in the Kangen machine. We need to do the cleaning twice in a month, or at least once in a month we need to do the monthly cleaning. Okay, for SD501, first we need to turn off the machine. You can see in the display, we need to turn off from the machine and turn off from the power also. And we need to remove the black cover from the machine, and we need to remove the filter also from the Kangen machine. And sometimes the black o-ring will be stuck inside the filter tray. That one also we need to remove from the filter tray. After that, we need to take the CPU, or cleaning powder unit, and we need to put one cleaning powder to the CPU, and we need to lock it, and we need to place, instead of the filter, we need to place the CPU, and we need to lock the CPU inside the Kangen machine. After that, we need to take one small cup. Without power, we need to run the water Once the water level is almost 90%, just turn off the faucet. You can see in the display. You can just keep it like this without power. You can just keep the white hose and gray, flexible hose and the gray hose in the glass. And once the water level is 90%, turn it off and keep it like this, 5 to 8 hours. Overnight it will be more better. And the early morning, you can just take out from the glass, and without power, you can just run the water 2 to 3 minutes, and still just keep the CPU inside the machine, and stop the water after 2 to 3 minutes, and remove the CPU. And always after the cleaning, always make sure to clean the CPU with the normal water. Always keep it dry. You can put it ulta. You can put it upside down. Then it will drain the water from the CPU. If you didn't drain the water from the CPU, what will happen? The black fungus, it will it will affect the CPU, and it will show the black inside the CPU. So what you need to do, you need to clean the CPU after doing the monthly cleaning, and always keep it dry. Okay. After that, you can just place the new filter inside the Kangen machine. Okay. And then you can place the filter cover also to the Kangen machine. And you can just turn on the power, and you can start to use the machine. Okay. You can see the plate, like a well-maintained e-cleaning every 2 months, every 2 weeks. If you are cleaning the machine every 2 weeks, the plate will be like this. And if you didn't do any cleaning to the Kangen machine, 6 months, this white particle will form inside the Kangen machine also, and it will start to produce. It will not give you the correct output. Like example, they will say they will not get the pH. They are not getting the. They are getting some smell from the Kangen water, and fishy smell, something like that, white particle more in the Kangen water, on that time, just inform them to do the monthly cleaning, and they inform them to do the, just run the beauty water, tell them to do the yearly cleaning. It can, reduce the white particle in the Kangen water. Okay. And deep cleaning. Okay. How to do the deep cleaning in the Kangen SD501 machines. Okay. So like like a example, when some customer is not near to Enagic office, and if they want to do the deep cleaning, what they can do, they can just they can do start to do this process. First, they need to turn off the Kangen machine, and they can remove the black cover from the Kangen machine, and they can remove the filter also. Okay. And they can take the CPU. They can place the CPU instead of the Kangen filter. Okay, they can take a 300 gram of the citric acid. Either they can buy from Enagic office, or they can buy the cleaning powder from Enagic office, and 10 sachet or 10 sachet, they can take it, and they can put it in a container like this, or the bucket like this. And they can take 1 liter of warm water, and they can just mix it, and they can mix the, you can see the display, the warm water they are taking, and they are putting the 300 gram of the citric acid. They are just mixing, and they are they are taking one. You can see they need to get one any aquarium pump also. Maximum pressure we can give to the Kangen machine is 55 psi pressure. Okay, and you can connect the white hose to the submersible pump or the aquarium pump. Okay, after that you can, okay, now the Kangen machine, we place the CPU there. We take one bucket, and we put the 300 gram of powder. We take 1 liter of warm water. We mix it. We take one submersible pump. Okay, and we connect the white hose to the submersible pump. That's the input, water input. Okay, after that we need to start the submersible pump, and just make sure to put the white hose, the flexible hose, and the secondary hose to the bucket or the container. Start the pump. Just run the water like 30 minutes. Okay, you can see the display is continuously running. So the citric acid solution going to the machine, and is circling the citric acid to the Kangen machine, and it is cleaning. Okay, 30 minutes you can run the same process. After that, you can turn off the pump. You can disconnect. If you are connecting any connector, you can disconnect that one. After that, you can connect the white hose to the tap. Without power, again run the water. Like, you can just run the water 5 minutes. Okay, no need to turn on the machine. Without power, just run the water. After that, CPU, we need to always clean the CPU, okay, we are stopping the water. I'm just removing the CPU. Okay, after removing the CPU, always clean with the normal tap water and keep it always dry, same as the monthly cleaning one. Okay, and instead of the CPU, we need to place the filter. Okay, and you can place the black cover also, and you can turn on the power, and you can just start to use the Kangen water and beauty water and the clean water and the other water, like the strongest and strong alkaline water. This one you need to do at least once a year. You need to do the yearly cleaning. Okay, if you are near to office, you should bring the machine to the office. If you are not near to the Enagic office, you can just do this cleaning from your side. Okay. Okay, how to do the e-cleaning in the K8 machine. Okay, you can see this video, how to do the monthly cleaning.
How to clean the unit with e-cleaner. E-cleaning is to remove the calcium stuck to the inside of the unit. Repeat this procedure once every 1 to 2 weeks. E-cleaning takes about 3 hours. Prepare the displayed items. Turn off the faucet and shut down the unit beforehand. Touch the e-cleaning button on the settings screen. The cleaning procedure will be displayed on the screen. Carry out cleaning according to this procedure. Pour 2 packets of cleaning powder into the cleaning tank and fill with 400 milliliters of water. Replace the cap and mix thoroughly. When this step is complete, touch the OK button. Next, remove the tank cover and the tank from the lower right of the unit and insert the cleaning tank. Touch the OK button and the tank will be recognized. If an error message appears, the appropriate tank is not in place. Please make sure that the right tank is installed. When the right tank is recognized, move on to the next step. Next, remove the water filter and place the cleaning cartridge in the filter tray. Touch the OK button when the step is complete. Next, put the cap on the secondary pipe. Touch the OK button when this step is complete. Now it is ready. Press Start to begin cleaning. The remaining process time will be displayed on the screen. Please do not touch the unit and wait until cleaning is finished. When the remaining process time becomes 0, e-cleaning is finished.
Cleaning has finished.
Remove the cap from the secondary pipe and then touch the OK button. Remove the cleaning cartridge from the filter tray in the main unit and reinstall the previous water filter. Remove the cleaning tank from the lower right of the main unit and reinstall the previous tank and the tank cover. Finally, turn on the faucet and run the water to rinse the machine. Wait until the remaining time counter on the touch panel shows 0. Turn off the faucet after e-cleaning is finished. When the rinsing is completed, the unit will return to the home screen automatically. For more details,
I hope everyone can understand. Everyone understand about the monthly cleaning one for the K8 machine. And here is our new portable bottle. Like example, like if you are traveling and if you want to produce the Kangen water, you can buy this product. This is limited edition one. Okay, 1,344. 1,344. That's the price for this machine. And you can just it can produce like 500 ml of Kangen water. You can see here. This is the product. Okay, what you can do, there is a power there in the back side. We need to turn on the power and we can put the water maximum of this much level. I hope everyone can see. There is a white line here. Maximum this much level we can put the water. Okay, after that we can close the portable bottle. Then you can see I hope everyone can see. There's a Kangen mode there. You can just press the mode as Kangen. Okay, then we can just press start. Then the machine will produce like pH 9 water. It will take maximum 2 minutes to generate the Kangen water. Okay, pH 9 water this machine is producing. Okay, I hope you guys can buy and you can just use while you're traveling, you can use the portable bottle like this. Okay, okay, when you're when you're pressing the start button, it will take 2 minutes time to produce the Kangen water. So one side will be Kangen and the one side will be beauty, and it will not mix because there is a there is a lock there. So Kangen water and beauty water will not mix. Okay, so you can just take after the 2 minutes, the light will be turned off and you can just take the water from the Kangen water. You can take from the container. After that, you can just take the beauty water from the portable bottle. Okay, this is limited edition one. So if you want to purchase, you can just purchase from the Enagic Dubai office. Okay. Okay, so in this training, I'm just going to conclude. Before that, I want to inform you one important thing. If you have a Kangen machine and you need to always do the monthly cleaning, deep cleaning, and the filter change. These are the main three important things if you have a Kangen machine. And if you're facing any taste or if the taste is bitter, the smell, if there is any smell bad, what you need to do, just run the beauty water 10 to 20 10 to 30 seconds in the before collecting the Kangen water. Just just run the water. After that, you can collect the Kangen water from the Kangen machine and just do the e-cleaning. Just do the deep cleaning, just check the filter, and always buy the original Enagic filter from the Enagic office. Okay, and these are the three important things I want to inform you. And if you have any doubt about this training or the Enagic product, you can just send one email or you can just text us via WhatsApp. This is our WhatsApp number and this is our email address, service@enagic.ae. You can send us the email and we will give you the response within the same day or within same working day. We can give you the reply back to you. And if you can you can call us or you can send us the message via WhatsApp also. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you. Bye.